Welcome, today I'm with DOOGEE S95 Pro and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and here in the search pool just type the green Apple keyboard. Green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap here to install and wait a few seconds while the application is installing. So now just tap here to open and click to enable in settings. And right there near the green Apple keyboard, tap on the switcher to activate it. Just tap to OK, confirm one more time. Now just go back and here tap to the switch input methods and just switch the keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and that's it. So now we can check. For example, here we'll type something and as can you see, your keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard, also as the emojis, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.